Welcome to our ultimate Delhi butter chicken and garlic naan masterclass.
We're revealing every single professional secret today.
Let's start with the magical chicken marinade.
Real Delhi butter chicken balances sharp tomato acidity with silky cream.
And juicy chicken thigh meat holds the marinade best.
Time for phase 1.
Kashmiri red chili gives that iconic deep ruby color without excessive heat.
Combined with thick hung curd for absolute marinade grip.
Let's mix it.
Our instant naan dough relies on curd and baking soda for pillow soft bubbles.
No long yeast waiting time required.
Pure culinary magic.
Heavy bottom cookware ensures even heat retention without burning spices.
Essential for both our gravy and tawa naan.
Tawa naan. Let's prep the chicken. Always cut chicken thighs into equal 1.5 inch bite-sized cubes.
Equal size guarantees uniform cooking and juiciness.
First marinade coming up.
First marinade, fresh lemon juice and pungent ginger garlic paste.
This step infuses deep flavor right to the core.
Rest it for 10 minutes.
Second marinade brings thick hung curd and rich Kashmiri red chili.
Look at that vibrant artistic crimson color coating.
Now for aromatics. Raw mustard oil acts as a solvent fat-soluble spice compounds.
Plus, it adds an authentic smoky pungency.
Time to rest.
Ensure every piece is thoroughly massaged and coated.
Chill in the fridge for at least 30 minutes.
Now, let's build the gravy.
Get your grill pan smoking hot to replicate traditional tandoor heat.
Light oil brush prevents sticking without diluting sear.
In goes the chicken.
Look at those magnificent smoky tandoori char lines.
Maillard reaction creating complex caramelized flavor.
Smells incredible already.
The Dhungar method, hot charcoal for authentic clay oven smoke.
Trap that hickory aroma for 5 minutes.
Pure restaurant secret.
Use wine-ripened red tomatoes for natural sweetness and vibrant base color.
Rough chops work fine since we will blend later.
To the handi!
Blooming cardamom, cloves and cinnamon in butter unlocks oils.
The kitchen smells absolute heavenly right now.
Add tomatoes now.
Add chopped tomatoes and raw cashew nuts. Casserole thickness.
Splash in half cup water to simmer.
Cover and cook till soft.
Simmer for 15 minutes until tomatoes collapse completely and cashews turn soft.
This guarantees silkiness when blended.
Let it cool down.
Cool the sauce before blending to prevent steam pressure buildup.
Safety first in high-speed blending.
Lock lid tight.
Blend on ultra-high speed for 2 full minutes until completely velvety.
Look at that gorgeous emulsion forming.
Now for secret step 2.
Always pass sauce through a fine sieve. This removes seeds and tomato skin fragments.
This is what gives Murgh Makhani its signature velvet mouthfeel.
0 lumps allowed.
It wouldn't be butter chicken without generous, high-quality white or yellow butter.
Keep flame low so butter foams without browning.
Pure bliss.
Tempering ginger juliennes and green chili zither releases fresh, punchy aromas.
Bloom chili powder for 5 seconds only.
Pour strained puree now.
Combine strained gravy with tempered butter. The colors fuse into an extraordinary sheen.
Look at that silky coat on spoon back.
Simmer to perfection. Simmer on low until butter starts separating along pan edges.
That oil separation marks cooked raw tomato flavors.
Time for smoky chicken.
In goes our charred, smoky tandoori chicken cubes with all resting juices.
Let chicken absorb rich gravy for 5 minutes.
Smells like authentic Old Delhi.
Balance acidity with 1 tablespoon honey and pink salt.
Honey rounds off raw tomato's sharp edge naturally. Taste balance is perfection. Rub roasted kaswam palms to awaken essential herbal fragrance.
The undeniable signature soul of makhani.
Next up, heavy cream.
Finish with half cup heavy cream poured in decorative concentric circles.
The white and red swirl is true edible pop art.
Butter chicken is complete. Plate into royal brassware and garnish with fresh ginger juliennes and cilantro.
Curry is ready. Let's make hot garlic naan.
Roll out the dough.
1 final butter knob melted on top for glossy shine.
Now cover handi while we make hot garlic naan.
Time for bread making.
2 cups maida, half teaspoon baking powder.
Sugar aids golden tawa caramelization.
Add wet ingredients.
Pour half cup fresh curd, lukewarm milk.
Milk and curd proteins soften gluten matrix for chewiness.
Time to knead.
5 to 8 minutes until dough is silky smooth and non-sticky.
Poke test. It should bounce back gently.
Rest time.
Coat dough ball with oil and cover under damp cloth for 30 minutes.
Resting relaxes gluten, making rolling super effortless.
Garlic butter time.
Combine 4 tablespoons melted butter with finely minced fresh garlic and chopped
The
coriander.
aromatic glaze for our naan.
Let's divide the dough.
Divide dough into 6 equal lemon-sized balls, tucking edges underneath.
Smooth surfaces prevent cracking during rolling. Rolling pin ready. Roll into traditional elongated oval teardrop shape, keeping 1/4 inch uniform thickness. Not too thin like chapati. Add toppings.
Press minced garlic and cilantro onto the dough surface.
Prevents toppings from falling off during baking.
Now the secret sticking trick.
Liberally brush water over entire backside. Water creates steam
Do not
glue.
use non-stick pan, only iron tawa works.
Slap it on.
Slap wet side directly onto piping hot, it grips like magic.
High heat triggers rapid steam expansion inside.
Watch the bubbles swell.
Look at those massive aeration bubbles puffing up within 30 seconds.
That shows light, pillowy interior texture.
Time for flame roasting.
Invert tawa directly over open gas flame to char top surface like a real
Move tawa continuously so garlic browns evenly without burning.
perfect tandoori blisters.
Slide metal spatula underneath. It pops off crisp on bottom, ultra fluffy on top.
Look at that authentic restaurant bottom char.
Butter basting time.
Slather melted garlic herb butter while naan is piping hot so it
That glistening sheen is pure culinary art.
Let's feast.
Stack hot garlic naans in a cloth basket alongside our royal Murgh Makhani.
Look at this iconic Delhi Masterclass spread.
Taste test time. Tear a piece of soft garlic naan, feel that pillowy elasticity, and scoop deep into gravy. Grego's first bite.
Mind-blowing. Smoky chicken, velvet gravy.
Better than top Delhi restaurants.
Nailed it!
Remember, Dhungar smoke for chicken and wet side iron tawa for naan.
Master these 3 rules for guaranteed success.
Anyone can cook like a chef. Thank you for joining our Delhi butter chicken and garlic naan masterclass. Happy cooking. See you next tour.